Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another amazing video. Well, today's video is gonna be a little different because we are gonna actually address the most viral topic on the internet these days, that is light therapy for your hair and your skin. If you are also a skincare or hair care junkie and you explore a lot of content regarding this, then you must have came across these light therapy videos because my feed was literally filled with these kind of videos at one time. I've been seeing so many international creators talking about it for more than 2 years now, and how red light and blue light therapy can actually help you with collagen production, with fine lines, with acne, with dandruff, with hair fall and what not. Personally, I have also struggled in my life with excessive hair fall and also a massive, acne situation, and I just wanted to try out anything or everything that could just help me even a little bit. So I tried finding, good products with red light therapy, especially with good review obviously, but I could not find anything, and I'm talking about the time like 1 or maybe 1.5 years ago. I kind of gave up on it. Cut to now, I suddenly started seeing, some Indian creators talking about light therapy, and they were using a product which is actually from an Indian brand, Protouch. So that actually got me all excited, and I actually saw some good reviews, and when I was actually planning to buy these products, the brand approached me itself. Great, like I just cannot be more grateful for this. Like it was just like I was just manifesting it. I was just thinking about it too much that the brand approached me, and they actually wanted me to try out these two products that they have launched for light therapy. One is for face and one is for hair, and I was like more than happy to do it because of course I wanted to try out anyways. So yeah, these products were actually sent to me by the brand for testing purpose, and of course I asked them to give me at least 20-25 days to use these products before I can share my experience, and they agreed, so that is great. So I'm here after 25 or 30 days of using these products, and now I can share my review with you guys. So firstly, let's begin with my favorite product of the video, which is gonna be this LED hair comb combined with this biotin and also collagen hair serum. I've got the combination of these two products, but definitely you can buy them separately as well. Now this hair comb was something that I wanted to try out, and when I received it, I literally just used it right away. The build quality of this hair comb is great, and you get 49 bristles so that you get a lot of coverage in one go. This has two buttons over here. First button switch on the light. You can see right now it's red, and when you press it again it turns into blue, and the button over here is for the vibration mode. So when you press it, it starts vibrating. I hope you can hear this. So that is the first vibration. There is like 3 different modes of vibration. I personally love the third mode because it just massages my scalps a lot. Now blue light and red light works greatly for your hair or for your skin. If you have no knowledge about it, I would definitely ask you to do your own research as well. But basically this technology has been scientifically tested, and yes, blue light and red light actually helps with a lot of hair and skincare issues. Red light actually helps with blood circulation. So जहाँ पे भी blood circulation होगा, of course वहाँ की cells ज़्यादा अच्छे से work करेगी. So for example, if there is good blood circulation over here on your scalp, आपके बाल जल्दी से grow करते हैं. That is why we massage our scalp. In Indian culture, we always used to massage our scalp for blood circulation, and that way your hair grows faster. With red light, you can expect good hair growth, eventually resulting in thicker and denser hair. Now the other light is actually the blue light, and I was like more excited about this because we are right now in winters, and ठंड start होते ही dryness तो भाई बहुत ही basic है. Skin में ले लो, hair में ले लो, feet में ले लो, हर जगह dryness होता ही है. So I wanted to try out, and I wanted to see कि मुझे dandruff इस बारी होता है या नहीं, and मैंने इसको actually में 20-25 दिन अच्छे से use कर लिया है. And you guys, I kid you not, I have not a single drop of dandruff on my scalp right now, which is literally crazy. This blue light definitely has worked for me. I definitely use red light as well, but seeing result in hair growth, like new hair growth in 20-25 days is actually not possible, because this is something that you actually have to use for long period of time. Hair growth or new hair growth actually takes months to show results. Generally हमेशा सब लोग बोलते हैं कि रात को सोने से पहले ना आपकी स्कैल्प को अच्छे से आप मसाज करो ताकि ब्लड सर्कुलेशन हो, अच्छा रहता है वो. एंड आई यूज्ड टू डू इट, बट उससे पहले मैं फिंगर्स से करती थी, एंड इट्स वेरी टायरिंग. बट विद दिस इट हैज बिकेम सो इजी. आई लिटरली सिट ऑन माई बेड, नेटफ्लिक्स चलाया, and then I just keep it on my scalp, and it just massages my scalp, and it just feels so damn great. Now of course, if you want to see great results, then you want to use this with this Protouch biotin and collagen hair growth drops. This has some amazing ingredients. This has of course biotin, collagen, redensil, and again, so all these ingredients works for hair growth again, and it's so easy to apply as well. This has this nozzle, so you just run it it through your scalp. Massage it for maybe 1 or 2 minutes with your fingers so that it is nicely spreaded throughout your scalp, and then massage it with this comb. It just literally works so great. ये actually यूज करने से आपको जो प्रोडक्ट भी है ना वो काफी ज्यादा जल्दी एंड काफी अच्छे से आपके स्कैल्प के अंदर एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. Now let me just tell you how you actually want to use this. Do not use this as a hair comb and just run it through like this, because in red light therapy you want to focus it on your scalp. Wherever you want to see the result, just focus it on that area. Like for example, I have a little bit of less density over here on both of these sides. So whenever I'm using red light, I focus it mainly over here. Of course I use it all over my scalp, but mainly I focus it close to my hairline because it's gonna help me with more hair density, more hair growth. And you want to do this at least 20 minutes each day. I personally use this every single day. Also the vibrations are like so nice. Like इतना अच्छे से मसाज हो जाती है स्कैल्प की, मस्त नींद भी आती है अच्छे से ना, आपका स्कैल्प एकदम वार्म हो जाता है literally after 15-20 minutes, because there's so much blood circulation going on. So my scalp becomes quite warm and it just feels really good. So मुझे तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा है. Of course this is chargeable, तो आप आसानी से चार्ज कर सकते हो, एंड ये लिटरली मुझे 2 घंटे तक तो आसानी से लास्ट कर जाता है, तो उसको हर रोज़ चार्ज करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ती है. This combination I am actually in love with, and I use this every single day. Now the next product that I have is actually gonna be for face, which is Protouch Skin Lift device, and that is how this looks like, you guys. How cute and tiny this is, and actually saw so many people like using this. I've seen so many reels and shorts on my feed, and I actually wanted to try this one out for face lift. Again, this also came with 3 different lights. This has a button over here. You want to press it for 2 seconds and it is on. You can see that right now this has a red light, and you press it again, this is green, and you press it again, this is blue. So this has 3 different light modes, and when you touch it on your skin, it starts vibrating, and again it is so damn relaxing, you guys. Now for face, if you use this red light, it actually helps with collagen production. So if you want to use a product for anti-aging, then red light is best for your skin. Of course, I've been using this product as well for more than 20-25 days, and I use the blue light in this one as well, like more, because I have the issue of active acne. Like every day I wake up with a new acne on my face, and then I wake up the next day, a new acne, maybe 2 new acne, and then my face would be filled with acne, like the painful acne so much. So yeah, I wanted to try out this one, especially for the blue light. The blue light actually works on sebum production. It regulates your sebum production, and जब sebum production regulate हो जाएगा तो acne आना अपने आप ही बंद हो जाएंगे. And that is how my skin looked the first day I used this product. You can see so much redness, active acne. My skin was just irritated and was a complete mess, and right now my skin is in a much better place. I have zero, like literally zero active acne at this point, which is a great win for me, and I just feel so happy to say that I do not have a single active acne right now on my face. Of course I have marks of those acne, because those marks would take more time, but first concern that I had was to stop these acne every single day when I wake up. So that problem has been sorted with this product. Now the red light actually works for collagen production, and especially for fine lines and wrinkles. So if you're looking for a product that can actually help you with anti-aging, then you want to use the red light more consistently. And then when it comes to green light, it actually works for dark spots or acne spots and tones your skin smoothly. So I can definitely see the result with my active acne, and I personally love to use this product before I am shooting, because this not only helps you with like all of those things like fine lines, wrinkles, active acne, dark spots, because these are long-term results. But if you want to see a quick result, that would be skin lift. So whenever I'm doing my makeup and starting to shoot my videos, I just use it for 10 minutes on my skin, because this instantly gives you a lift, and that is something which I love. When I wake up with very puffy eyes, puffy face, especially because sometimes there's so much workload and I'm editing like till 1 or 2 a.m. and then of course when I wake up my eyes are really puffy, my face is very puffy, and I have to shoot the next day again. Then I use this product, and within 10 days I see there's all the puffiness is gone. So that is again a problem that you want to target, that your face is very puffy and you want to get rid of that right before you want to head out. Just use it for 10 minutes. Trust me, it actually give you instant results. Also when you massage your skin, skin with this, it gets warm, you guys, and it feels even more nicer. Completely forgot to mention this product that I've been using with this, and this is Skin Lift Recovery Drops. Again, such an amazing product. So when you're using this, you want to make sure that your skin is not dry. Because dry होगा तो ऐसे ड्रैग करने लगोगे आप अपनी स्किन को, एंड यू डू नॉट वांट टू डू दैट. ये अच्छे से स्लाइड होना चाहिए. ऑल्सो इसके अंदर भी बहुत ज़्यादा अमेजिंग इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं जो आपकी स्किन को हेल्प करेंगे. ऑल्सो आपकी स्किन को इतना स्मूथ कर देंगे कि ये टूल एकदम अच्छे से ग्लाइड होगा, एंड यू विल सी ग्रेट रिजल्ट्स. दिस हैज इंग्रेडिएंट्स लाइक niacinamide, ceramides, retinol that actually works great for your skin, and it is so cool to use this. You just want to open it up like this, and you want to push it like this, and the product comes out right over here. You just want to apply it on your face. So again, the combination of these two products are amazing. I could see result with my active acne and also the face lift, the instant face lift, you guys. This is also chargeable, and this is so tiny and cute that you can travel with this so easily. I just love both these products from Protouch. Definitely this hair comb is my personal favorite. I love this as well because this actually helped me a lot with my skin, and this one helped me with my dandruff. So actually both of these worked for me greatly. Definitely do your own research, of course, a little bit before buying these products, because that is really important. Also, let me just tell you one thing very clearly. If you want to see result in your hair, in your skin, or in anything in your life, you want to be consistent, you want to be disciplined. A single product cannot help you. For example, if you're getting so many active acne and your lifestyle is so bad, you're eating so much junk food, not exercising, and you just want to get this product and see all the results, I'm sorry to inform you, but this product would not help you, and actually no product in the world can help you, because you have to make these lifestyle changes. I made these lifestyle changes. I made sure that I'm not eating unhealthy. I made sure that I'm exercising at least 4 to 5 days a week. I made sure that I am using the right skincare and then using the right tools. So these small steps helps you with overall health of your hair and your skin. So make sure that you take care of yourself, eat healthy, and have a good lifestyle, and then these two products can actually does wonders for you. But yeah, that is all for today. I really hope you guys found this video helpful and also enjoyed watching this. If you did, then make sure that you like this video and also subscribe to my channel, because that means a lot to me. I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. I love you guys all so much. Bye.